got a special episode for you guys today. It's our 500 subscriber episode, and have we got some fun for you people. We got giveaways and Luch fun with Dorito and even some other stuff. Stay with us, and we'll get this thing going. Rock on! Reach in the bag and pull it out. I begin to gummify. Ah! Reach in my bag and pull it out. I begin to gummify. Ah! Reach in the bag, reach in the bag. Reach in the bag, reach in the bag. I begin to gummify. Ah! All right, once again. No more bloopers now. Okay. Go!
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito LuchaCabre here.
And we got a special, very special. Did I mention how special this episode is? It's our 500 subscriber episode. Isn't that right, Dorito?
That is correct, sir.
Now what we got is because Dorito seems to think just something's real cute about something else that I do other than, you know, this masked superhero during the day. He seems to think that I got some kind of rhythm with wheels on my feet. Well, we're going to prove to you today that that's not true.
He does.
But thanks to 500 of you knuckleheads for making us great like we are and still loving us, we're going to do this for you anyways.
Right on. So let's take it away, Luch. What do you call it?
It's called the Crazy Legs. Kind of fitting, huh, people? But don't ask me to do anything else. I'm a one-trick pony!
What kind of pony are you? Let's see. Give me something else.
One-trick No, if you want me to do something else, I need more props. If you want me to play your trained seal, I need some horns to play.
We'll get
We're not doing that tonight.
1,000 subscribers.
I'll be your trained seal, but not yours.
Let's get on with it.
Shall we? You in there, fan? Where are you at? This is for you, number one fan. Fan?
Always on his knees.
Always on his knees. Oh, wait. Is this thing on? Okay, here we go! All right, people. You guys are going to have a bird's eye view of the Luch's feet today. All right, so as we mentioned before, people, it's our 500th episode, and we're going to do the Crazy Legs. For some strange reason, Dorito seems to like this stuff. Is the brains behind this beauty, okay? He's the guy that masterminds all this stuff. So, how you doing there, Foot? Hey, happy feet, happy feet, happy feet. Everyone gets a part of the Luch today. 500 subscribers, people. Very special episode. So today, what we got for the tricks of the trade are the... Oh, you want to see them too? All right. That's what we're going to put on today, people. Roller skates. I know what you're thinking. Oh, this Looney Tune roller skates. Well, yeah, it's kind of a pastime. I like this stuff. So, let's put these on, people. And I'll show you what the Luch does in his off time. So, you see 1 foot off, 2 foot off. Make sure you dispose of properly. Gotta remember who I'm talking to. What does my feet smell like? Anyways.
Your foot cam only sees your feet.
But you smell it, don't you? I know you do, Dorito.
Very bad.
There's one. Look, I've got another one just like it. Look at that beauty, people. You know, that's thanks to Pete at Skate Fanatics. He's awesome. The best in the business. He'll build you the best skates ever. That's Skate Fanatics with an 8. SK8. Fanatics. Because we're fanatical for skating. All right, now that we got that out of here, let's put the other one on. Shall we? All right, let me get these things tied up, and we'll show you what's all going on, all right?
All right.
Shall we?
Yeah.
goes to show you that white guys don't have rhythm. Take that skating, Bob! Thanks, Luch. This is an old Luch coming at you. Tired, people. Thanks for subscribing. 500 of you people like us, and we love each and every one of you. Rock on!
Alright, guys. So there you go.
Hey, now before you say anything, our partnership is purely platonic. Purely platonic.
Look at, she's finally tall.
He likes me better on skates.
Yeah, she's so much better on skates. Anyways,
People,
guys, there you go.
Thanks for joining us on our 500 subscriber, very special. Did I mention how special this episode is to
It's
you
so special, it's
and
special.
me? It's special, people. Thank you. We love you all.
We appreciate all you guys, man.
You guys
We really
rock.
do. Thank you guys very much. Anyways, check out the next videos. We got a lot of bloopers coming.
A lot of stuff coming your way.
A lot of funny stuff. So,
That's right.
thanks for watching.
Stay
Keep
tuned.
on watching. Smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching Dorito LuchaCabre.
Rock on, people.
Peace. Oh.
Oh.
See, it's kind of lower now.
I've just dropped. Let me get my gummy down. Gummy down.
Come on, give me another one.
Cut my life into pizzas. This is my plastic fork. My son, no. Rock on.
You want to give fan 1701 a hug?
Good idea. Come here, fan. You're my biggest fan.
Rock on, guys. Peace.